To make the double crochets, we continue from the 7 chains just made. Skip the first 2 chains that are the closest to the hook. 1, 2, and we will work in the third one. Yarn over, go into this chain, the third one, so that you have 1 loop above the hook. Yarn over, pull a loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. And this is your first double crochet. Yarn over and go into the next chain. You have 1 loop above the hook. Now yarn over, pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops on the hook. Now yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, go into the next chain. Yarn over, pull a loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, go into the next chain. Yarn over, pull a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. We got to the last chain. Yarn over, go into the chain. Yarn over, pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is how you finished your first row of double crochets. Now, because we skipped 2 chains out of 7, we should have 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are at the end of the row. Now chain 2. This will make up for the height of the double crochet. So we chain 2, 1, 2, and turn your work. Now yarn over and go into the first stitch, which is right here. We go into this first stitch. You have 2 loops, this V shape above the hook. Yarn over, pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Next, yarn over, go into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now yarn over, go into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, go into your next stitch. Yarn over and pull a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. We got to the last stitch. Yarn over and go into the last stitch, which is right here. You can see you have the V shape on the hook. Yarn over, pull a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. This is how you finish the second row of double crochets. Now, if you want to continue to make double crochets, to go to the next row, you chain 2. 1, 2, then you turn your work, yarn over, you go into the first stitch in this space and you make a double crochet, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you continue the row just as you did before. But if you want to finish your work, then after you finished the last double crochet, just chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull this tail, and this is your swatch of double crochets. Next, we will do a swatch of treble crochets. To be ready for that, make 7 chains, then go to the next part, treble crochets.